Yeah, so you're probably watching this because you either got a chain that's stuck on, you can't get it off, you can't get your master link off, or maybe your chain's too long and you want to shorten it. Now there's a great tool for that, a chain breaker. Now, a lot of them, Chinese or whatever language that is, and the directions that come with them are pretty difficult to understand. So I'll make this video to show you how to use one. If you are using this to take a master link off, first make sure you got this little clip off. You can just do it with a needle nose pliers or something like that. Just get it off this master link here. Kind of leave it looking like that. So for the chain breaker, the first thing you want to do is make sure both of these are unscrewed. Not completely all the way, but just loosened up. Give yourself a little bit of room to work with, especially if it's a bigger chain. And then, since I'm taking the master link off for this demonstration, I'll find it right here. So this is it. It's a little loose right now because this chain is shot and I've already had it off. So it's just a little bit loose yet. So anyways, you want to figure out which side you want to push from. So that'll just be determining which side has a lip and which side has none that you just push through. So on here, you can tell that there's a bit of a lip on there. And right here, there's not one, so you want to push that way. So then, grab your chain breaker, put this hole on the side that you want to not push out, and this on the side you want to push from. So I'm pushing this way, so I'll hold it this way. For the side with the lip, might have to back it up more. Put the side with the lip right on there. Then tighten up the big screw. Just till it's a little bit snug. Then you should be able to just move it around like that. So then some of these come with a wrench or something like that to use on this. But I'm just going to use an Allen wrench because mine didn't come with one. So just slip it in there and start turning. And don't be surprised if it goes pretty hard. I can feel it about to go, and there it goes. You can loosen it up. Take your chain breaker off, and I heard the piece fall. Yep, there it is. Now you can see a little bit better the lip I was talking about. It's not very big. That's all it is. So you may be feeling stuck yet, being like, well, I still can't get it off. Now what good does this do me? But you can just repeat the process again, push it on this side, which I'll do that in a minute. So now you may be wondering, well, what do I do with this? Do I got to go get a new master link now? Or what? No, you don't. You can just push it back through the other way. So just put it in here again. Make sure you go the opposite way this time, pushing on the side of the lip. Put it in there. I gotta screw in quite a ways. And then just start doing the same thing, screw it in. You can kind of watch how close it's getting right there. Oh, now you feel it snug up, and I can see it pressed up against there, so now I'm good. So I can back it out. I got one piece back in. So now I can do the same. This one might be a little bit harder. You might end up dropping it more, but you can do it. Save you a couple bucks. So just put that end in there. Remember to push from the side of the lip now. Go up to it. Then screw it in. Make sure you're pushing in straight, like check the whole time you're screwing to make sure you're straight. Still going in straight. Alright, so I'm getting close. And I can feel it snug up there. And I can see it's against it. Same thing, just back it out. Then you can get your master link piece out and then use it. Just put it back in there. Put this piece on and put the little clip on and you're good to go.